Now there is one hormone which is called relaxin. Relaxin is a hormone which is protein in nature. It is synthesized by the placenta. It is released during the pregnancy. It is protein in nature and structurally it is similar to insulin. And insulin has how many chains? 2 polypeptide chains. So it has 2 polypeptide chains. The chains are linked through disulfide bridges. Clear? And relaxin has a very important function, that it keeps the myometrium relaxed during the pregnancy, just like progesterone. So the uterus does not contract during the pregnancy. Clear? So relaxin is very easy to understand. The other is inhibin. Inhibin is a protein hormone. Clear? And what we said about inhibin initially, that it stimulates the GnRH release from the placenta and SCG release from the placenta. It inhibits the release of these 2 hormones. Clear? Now after discussing inhibin, activin is opposite to inhibin. Now move to the placental steroid hormones. What are the 2 placental steroid hormones? One is estrogen and progesterone. And I think you have discussed this estrogen and progesterone before in the female sex hormones. So actions are same. Only, first of all, remember the progesterone. Progesterone is released from the syncytio trophoblast. Clear? And the most important precursor of the progesterone is progesterone pregnenolone sulfate. Its secretion starts after 8 weeks and continues throughout the pregnancy, and daily production, if you average out, it is about 250 milligrams per day. Estrogen is important. If you just want to, estrogen is, if I just go to the next slide, this is important. Yes. Here if you see, the estrogen is released from the placenta, and the precursor of the estrogen is dihydroepiandrosterone sulfate, and the precursor is 16-alpha hydroxy dihydroesterone epiandrosterone sulfate. Now these are the 2 precursors. These 2 precursors, they come from the adrenal gland of the placenta and from the fetus. So dihydroepiandrosterone sulfate, this comes from the mother adrenal gland and this comes from the fetal adrenal gland. It reaches to the placenta, and in the placenta they are converted into mature estrogen. Clear? And this mature estrogen is released and it goes in the fetal circulation and it goes in the maternal circulation. Clear? This is one very important point. And this precursor, it comes in 50-50%. 50% from the fetus and 50% from the mother. Now the other precursor is 16-alpha hydroxy dihydroepiandrosterone sulfate. 90% of this precursor comes from the fetus. Clear? And only 10% from the adrenal gland of the mother. Again, the 2 reaches in the placenta, and from the placenta it converts into the mature hormone, and this mature hormone releases into maternal blood and fetal blood. The one that is synthesized from the androsterone sulfate, it synthesizes into estrogen 2. Clear? You must have done these 3 forms of estrogen. Okay? And triol and diol. You remember this? And the one which is synthesized from 16-alpha hydroxy, this is converted into E3. So maternal estrogen actually E2, estradiol and estratriol. Diol is synthesized from dihydroepiandrosterone sulfate, which comes 50% from the fetal adrenal gland and 50% from the maternal. Clear? E3 is synthesized from the placenta, and the precursor comes 90% from the fetus and 10% from the mother. And what do you think in pregnancy, during pregnancy, the level of estrogen is high or low? Progesterone level is higher than estrogen. I am not saying compare the two levels. I am saying generally speaking the level of estrogen is high or low. It's high. Pregnancy is a hyperestrogenic state, and this is due to effect of estrogen on the metabolisms of mother and fetus, because the pregnancy is a hypermetabolic state, so you require a hormone that supports the metabolism. What is the function of progesterone in the pregnancy? Relaxation of the uterus. Progesterone is the main hormone that keeps the pregnancy, that prevents the contraction of the uterus, that keeps the uterus relaxed throughout the pregnancy. So if you see the estrogen and progesterone, their secretion starts in the initial weeks of pregnancy, and as the pregnancy continues, their secretion increases. Clear? Throughout the pregnancy, they are in a direct proportion state. As the pregnancy proceeds, the secretion is increasing. Any question? Clear? I have to take the attendance. Can you make the light on?